Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this evening's video here on Zorin. What I want to do is I want to install Mozilla Firefox. So Mozilla Firefox has to be downloaded using the terminal if you're using any form of Linux as opposed to Windows. So what I want to do here is I want to go to terminal, and I would have to type a command line here. So it's sudo add apt repository, and I'll type in my password and press enter to continue. Okay, so now to install Firefox, I type sudo apt install Firefox, press enter. And here you can see we've successfully installed Firefox. So I just have to let it work away for a few minutes. So we just sit here, save and continue. Um, so we'll just go here. So we've successfully was able to install Firefox using the terminal. So I'm going to leave it here to see even for this video. If you like listening, please consider like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.